Good morning, YouTube fans, Facebook clan. Here we are again, beautiful day, sun shining, warm temperatures, spring has definitely sprung. As I stand here, I wanted to make everyone aware, picnic table farming. Right here you can see the results. Sustainable, farm to table, fresh organic produce, herbs, spices, no weed, no till, limited resource use of the water. Available on Amazon, Kindle and hard copy format. For the seasoned garden guru, or if you're just starting to take notice of Inflation Nation and the price of food. Eliminate your food insecurities. Picnic table farming, an idea who's finally arrived. And as a quote right from my book, we can save this planet 1 yard at a time, beginning with your own. All right. Also today, what I wanted to highlight, and Worx is not a corporate sponsor, although I'd be very happy to speak to them about it. I have a 40-volt Worx rechargeable, battery-powered, stackable, using two 20-volt batteries, lithium-ion batteries, and a nice compact mower, 14-inch. Lightweight, probably 50 pounds or less. Easy to utilize. Comes with a lot of accoutrements. Easy to put together. I did an unboxing on it. I'll load that video first on my YouTube channel. Worth taking a look at. As you can see right up front, we have a leveler. It's set at the lowest level. I like a nice manicured yard. Anybody who's seen my videos, my yard, my compound is always manicured. And today we manicured it as well. We have a grass catcher attachment for the Worx mower. Myself, I left the mulching plug inside there because I'll just self fertilize, add organics just with the leaf clippings. If you're doing compost, this is a great way to use it. It's one piece, very easy to put it on. Got indicator lights on the charger that comes with it, right across the bottom or the top, depending on how you're looking at it. It's pin indexed. It's recommended that you charge both batteries at the same time. Easy to install the batteries. Just lift them up, snap them in place. There's a safety feature right at the top. Let's get to the top. There we go. It's a hold it in one direction, pull the orange handle, and you're ready to go. Nice, compact, eco-friendly, battery powered. Took 4 hours to charge the batteries, which I thought was reasonable. And let's bring this baby down and let's put it to work here. As I said, it's lightweight. Let's see if we can see the top there. Should have had a camera person here, but I make my videos alone. So here we have it. Just push the thumb switch, grab the bar, and there you have it. Safety switch, as soon as you let go of the orange bar, it's an immediate stop. Cut 1,000 square feet on a single charge. Folds down to a nice compact unit. You just grab it from the orange handle on the top of the mower. Very easily to store this by folding down the handle, the push bar handles. Just loosen up the orange toggles. Fold one forward, one backward, and it's the same size as the mower. So here we are in Vincenzo's Gardens, highlighting the 14-inch 40-volt Worx eco-friendly rechargeable lawnmower. And I was so impressed with the nice level easy cut that it gave that I actually ordered their 3-in-1 line trimmer. I'm expecting that. Look for an unboxing and a demonstration video as well. So here we are, gardening with Vincenzo. Remember to be kind to one another and help your neighbor if you can. Get growing. We'll see you.